What's up, y'all? It's your girl Brandy from Stay Snatched, and today we're making air fryer wontons. These are the perfect sweet or savory treat, so let's go ahead and get started. So first you want to take 6 ounces of cream cheese softened at room temperature, and then add 1 teaspoon of sweetener or sugar along with 1 teaspoon of dried chives, and then add in 2 finely chopped green onions and give that a good mix. And then you want to take some wonton wrappers. You might use 17 to 21 different wonton wrappers, and then get a bowl of water, use a cooking brush or your fingers and run that along the edge of each wrapper. This will help keep them in shape when you go to seal and close them. Then add 1 teaspoon to 1.5 teaspoons of filling in the middle of each wonton wrapper. And then go ahead and seal that. You can seal these in a triangle, a rectangle, whichever way you wish. Go ahead and take 1/4 cup of crushed pineapple and add it to your cream cheese mixture. I used fresh pineapple, but you can also use canned pineapple if you wish. And then add those wontons to your air fryer basket. Spritz it with oil first. I like to use olive oil, and then give the top of those wontons another spritz of olive oil. Then you're gonna air fry those on 370 degrees for 8 to 10 minutes until they're crisp. And voila, there you have it. Air fryer crispy wontons.